And I just wanted to take this time to introduce myself. I'm Duke Marquiss. I am a managing member of DS&K Investments. We buy alternative distressed assets, either physically or financially distressed, fix and flip them, or hold them for long-term cash flows. I'm reaching out to you because you've indicated that you wanted some help in some area on how to make retirement wealth or passive income to supplement what you're doing now. There are many, many ways of doing that. I've been in real estate since 1974, so I've got 45 years of playing in this game, and I've done about everything you can do in real estate except build a high-rise office building in downtown Denver, and I'm not going to go through the process. I'm not sure my life expectancy would exceed the getting a permit problem. Everything changes as we go through, and it's a constantly moving thing, and the beautiful thing about real estate is that there's different ways of doing the same thing. We've come up with some very innovative things, and over the last few years, we've done millions of dollars worth of work, millions of dollars worth of sales, profitability, passive income, and it's there for everybody. If you want to take and be a part of it, we'd love to have you come on, schedule a call, give me your problems, and let's see if we can solve those things. Just click on the link down below and schedule a call, and I look forward to visiting with you. Thank you.